Hello guys and welcome back to another video. Today I'll be teaching you how to use the Glide apps. It's a tutorial for beginners, so let's get right into it. So first is how to use Glide. Glide is one of these type of apps that creates websites for you, applications for you. So you might ask, what is Glide's app? So Glide's app is it's one of the number one no-code app builders. It has limited functions. There's no coding in it, so it's really flexible for beginners to use. So if you're interested on what it is, just search it on Google, or right here is just for design development and run powerful products using Glide. So basically, that's just a overview of what it is. So here's the first thing that we'll do. We'll cover the basics of using Glide. So first you should create your account. So if you already have an account, just sign into it. So you'll just see here that you'll go to glidesapp.com, and here you will see their website, and just press the start for free button right there. So you can sign up. You can use your Google account, your email, or whatsoever. So next here we'll have is you'll be prompted to signing up to Google, and then should enter your company details, your personal details, and you'll be redirected to their dashboard after that. So for me, I'll just show you what it looks like to just sign up for yourself. So here, it'll ask you to tell us more about yourself. So here, what is your name? Just place your name and what will you use Glide primarily for. So it's either for work, teaching, or taking a class, or personal use. So here we'll just say for work. Then here it will ask you what industry your company is in, so you select an industry. For us, we're just gonna look for ours, and we'll go for technology. So how big is our company? We'll just say 2 to 10. So what is your role at work? It will also ask you that. This will help you personalize your Glide experience for the application itself. So let's just say that you're in IT and engineering, or HR, or other things like that. So we'll just place IT and engineering right here. So next is you will have your own team in Glide. So what is your team name? You should name your team right here. So your team is where all of you will be you can access your projects and to assess it, and this is how you can edit it. So just place your team name here and just press the 2 boxes here. Yes, I want Glide tips and occasional updates via email and such things like that. And you can also agree to their policy terms, and you can just read it right there in the button right there. So what are you looking to build in Glide? So right here you will choose the area you want to work with, and it'll help you get started. So let's just say you want a client portal, admin, event planning, inventory management, and other things like that. So let's just say you want to do a client portal. So here you can also have the option to connect your data, or choose the data source to power your first project. So you can either go with Google Sheets, which is really flexible too, or you can go with Airtable, which is a third-party application, or Excel Online, or import a file. So if you don't have anything to connect a data to, so just press this button right in the bottom right there. So while we're waiting for it to load, we'll just see here that this is really simple to do as a beginner like myself. So there you go. Here you will get started with Glide. So if you want a quick tour of the basic customization of your app, you can just press let's do it if you're a beginner. So here that you can click the collection component in the top left panel, so that it will change its style in the right panel. So there you go guys. So you can also add components, directory, categories, the user profile, and other things like that. So here's your categories and other things like that. So just skip that for now. So right here, you will see that it's pretty laggy for mine because I'm in the desktop mode right now. So can't really see what's going on since it's a jumble. It's not really that optimized for my iOS device right now. So right here in your settings, you will see your name and icon, your appearance and theme, your privacy, the controls to your app, your integrations, and in the advanced settings, you have your users and authentication, your sign-in screen, your user agreements, your data, and your billing. So right there's your settings. here you have your actions. So you can supercharge your app with actions such as using ChatGPT's OpenAI. So right there, and you can also use Google Cloud and Google Cloud Vision for converting an image into text using Google Cloud's Vision API. These are really advanced things you can do to help your website or application itself just boom in the moment. So here you also have push notifications, and it has the option, but it's in Pro, so you have to subscribe to the Pro version of this. There's also subscriptions if you didn't know that. So there you go, guys. So there's a lot here like Microsoft Outlook, Gmail, Slack, Microsoft Teams, Twilio, Google Maps, and Radar. There's also PDF Monkey, Docs Automator, URL Box, and a lot other more, so you can integrate your applications. So here in your layout, you'll see your navigation menu. So wait a minute, guys. So here you will see your data. Here you will add your tables, your orders, your inventory, your users, and your products. So in the top left corner of your screen, you will find your dashboard, where here it will show your projects and then your members, your usage, and the usage beta and billing templates. So basically in projects, what you will find there is all the projects that you have been compiling to. So it's right here. Actually, you just can't really see it that much since it's not really optimized for my phone yet. So there you can see your new project button and your client portal. So here in members, you will see the members that you have entered. So you can enter their email, so you can invite them into your team by just pressing the copy link button. So here in usage, you will see that you will see the usage of your application itself with private users. There is a lower limit of 0 out of 3 for the free plan. And here you will see that there's public users, so 0 out of 10. You will see the users, and the editors for your application itself is just 2. And the published projects, you will see there's only 3 limit. And while here in the file storage, there's a limit also for 200 megabytes for storing whatsoever, pictures, videos, GIFs of the things that you will be placing in your application. So here in billing, you can also add to your billing, like your plan. You will see it right there. It's really, can't really operate this that much since it's really not compatible with my phone. Let's just try to request a mobile site for now. So fortunately, I can't really show you the other details, but that's how you basically use the Glide apps. It's a tutorial for beginners. So if you like this video, thank you for watching. See you again next time.